Hello and welcome to another episode of
All the gear.
And Some Idea.
Today, we're back on the quad.
Yeah. So last time it wasn't very successful, was it?
Well, yes and no. It had its ups and downs, didn't it?
Up better days.
Well, we've had worse days, haven't we?
Yeah, true. So what we believe's happened is the fuel tap is faulty, basically. So yeah,
Faulty.
yeah, for this design.
Yeah, you can say that.
Yeah, faulty for this design. So
So
there's
there's false advertised.
yeah, false advertising. Don't read everything and take it as gospel.
No.
So the one that we've got, like we've fitted, is only an on-off fit base, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gravity fed, on-off switch. But we need one that's vacuum controlled.
Yeah, so that
You
way it's
think?
not just going off into the carb.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we'll find out in a bit. I think I have to take the spark plug out and turn it over because I think there's a bit too much fuel in the cylinder. Might be right now.
Yeah, maybe
But,
might have evaporated now, but yeah.
Hopefully, in this video, you'll see it running properly with it all on. Might be able to do some mad skills off the decking onto the grass.
What?
Yeah, maybe. So yeah, just it'll be a short one really, as long as it runs. Otherwise, it turns to a really long one.
Yeah. Or we'll just scrap the video
Or
and
you
you'll
won't
never
see
see
it.
it.
You'll never see it.
Yeah.
You'll never see the quad, and we just get rid of it.
Yeah.
Nah, should be right.
No.
Fine. Right. Shouldn't take long, should it? Where's the new one?
You remember what they say? Every 10-minute job is one snap bolt away from being a 3-day ordeal.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think that's going to happen, but
Have you got the bolts out?
they're loose.
Oh, there you go. We ain't going to snap one, are they?
Oh my god.
Where's the new one?
The new one?
Yeah.
It's right here, mate.
Let's have a look.
In true Amazon fashion, is one we
Amazon.
ordered yesterday.
We did order it yesterday, yeah. So on here, you've got, was it Prime at the top, was it, Lee? Prime at the top up there.
PRI.
Yeah, and then you've got on, reserve.
And there's no off.
There's no off.
No.
Because it's done by the
vacuum agent.
Yeah, which is, as you can see in the back there, there'll be a diaphragm inside of there with the pipe that goes on here. And the more that diaphragm gets sucked in, it allows more fuel through.
Yeah, if you suck on it, it pulls it out.
I do know what I'm talking about sometimes.
I'm glad you do.
Well, maybe, yeah. And you've got the filters once again. That's it. At the top.
That top one was a big gas.
It does, doesn't it? Hopefully that one will fit this in there.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's get it changed. She's on.
I'm not sure how much is going to come out of it, but I drained it all out.
Sorry if you can hear me drinking.
I love the smell of petrol. It smells really good. I love the smell of petrol and I've just lost the fucking bolt. Sorry, fudging. There we go. Look at that, look. There's some
Oh, yeah. So you can see on the filter looks better on this one than the one that's up there.
Yeah, definitely. Pull that off there like that.
If you lower it down a bit.
Oh, yeah, there you go. You just pulled that off that one there. Look. Magic. Get rid of that. Take that off there. Put that on there. Oh, it's too big.
Oh,
With the switcheroo. Use the old one. I'm sure it'll do the job just the same.
just not aesthetically pleasing.
No. No one likes something that's not aesthetically pleasing.
That's a thing.
That's aesthetically. Like an obese girl eating a Burger King. No one wants to see that.
Right.
That's the wrong way around.
That's what you get as karma, that is, mate.
Yeah, literally. Instant.
Yeah. So we are now, after this, really going to be looking for another project.
Yeah. So if you've got anything, or want some help with something,
Yeah, like I say, we've got,
all the gear,
scanners.
and we've got some idea,
Yeah.
as the channel name would suggest.
Yeah. There was one bit of gear we didn't have. I can't remember what it was.
Nope, we've got a slow dammer. A bush removal tool.
That's it. And an ultrasonic cleaner.
Yeah.
But we have seen online, they're not overly expensive, so if we need one.
Yeah, the more likes and subscribes we get, the more chance we've got to get them.
Yeah, not sure what we'd use it on yet, but if we needed one, we'd get one.
Yeah. They're good for cleaning carbs. Ultrasonic cleaners.
Yep.
So as we're looking down at the carb here, you can see we've got the main fuel pipe entry, which is that one there. And that is the vacuum suction line, which needs to go to our diaphragm on the fuel tap. And that is a breather for the float chamber in the carburetor. So if for whatever reason the float chamber becomes overflowed, it will come out of that pipe. But it also allows for movement of air within the carburetor float chamber as well. So you don't get an airlock in it. Right, stick some petrol in. Jungle juice.
Petroleum.
Gasoline.
Gasoline. Gasoline.
E la ruta la gasolina. Alright. Yeah, we're going to take the plug out.
Yeah, I think it's probably worth it, isn't it?
Yeah. Defo.
So Lee found a nice little thing with it last week.
Yeah, I did.
Excuse me. Oh.
There they are. Oh, there they are.
There they are. What size plug was it, mate?
21.
21.
So you've got an element of sneakiness where you put your plug spanner through here. And then
So that's now.
bosh!
Gee.
That was tight.
I don't know if you can see it from this end, but. Oh, yeah, you see it up there. There you go. That was a hand.
Right. Turn her over.
Yeah. Oh, you need the key.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm sure we've been through the start process before. Got your key. Got your run. Got your handbrake. We're in prime. So if we turn that to
On.
which is there. So hopefully now it's primed it down to it anyway. Then we're going to turn it over, aren't we?
Mm-hmm. Probably a good job we did that.
Yeah, I reckon it was.
Yeah. Yeah, might need to get a rag or something, I reckon, to...
Yeah, I'll grab something. So we just turned the engine over to get all the excess fuel out from where it goes on and then leaks out. Well, basically it goes straight into the cylinder and holds it in there. And then it will eventually hydrolock the engine, which is, I suppose on something like this ain't too bad, but it will just damage the head, wouldn't it?
Well, yeah, eventually it's going to cause issues that you don't want.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not so bad if it does it when you turn it over. But if it did it when you're running, I mean, you could bend the com rod.
Yeah. Make it faster.
Yeah. Right. So, now we've got it in prime. Sorry, in on.
It's on, so now the vacuum should be doing its thing.
Yep. So now, hopefully, all going to plan. It might take a bit of turning over, but it should come to life.
Oh, choke. So at the moment we've got the fuel pipe off, just going to catch the fuel with this. So when Lee turns the engine over, you'll see it doesn't just, so if I do this, oh, you can't see it now. See it's starting to come out and it pours out. So now if Lee then turns the engine over now, you see as it's turning over, it's only asking for the fuel, so which means the fuel tap can stay in its on position and not essentially flood the carb when it's not running, because it's only working on a vacuum. So we know that works. So now the fuel is going to start getting down to the carburetor.
I mean, it might just be the fact that fuel needs to get to it.
Yeah.
Probably.
Well, I mean, I can do this. So we go prime and then off, and that will allow it just to flow in. But then you don't want to overload it with fuel again.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Put it in prime now. Then normal.
Nearly.
Getting there. You know what that means? We're making money. Oh, yeah.
Right. So, please do his happy dance. We now have a running LT80 quad bike.
It's fantastic.
It's brilliant.
Yeah. For what we give for it, which we still haven't revealed. Milky Bar in it for the winner. You know, it's weird. It sounds like it's about to die, but and it has.
It's died. Oh, well.
She's cold. She'll be out in a minute.
Yeah. Right, so we're going to warm it up. Once it's warmed up, we'll come back to you. And you can rev it up. It's a bit smoky from the two-stroke and all the fuel that's in the exhaust. But it does run. It runs lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah, perfect. Can't complain. Really impressed. I think we do another cold start on it.
Yeah.
Make it when it's cold, and then yeah, she's ready to sell, I think. Huh? Right then, guys. This is our Suzuki LT80. It runs.
Yeah.
It rides.
Yeah.
We've replaced the starter motor.
Fuel tap.
Yeah. Well, we bought the wrong fuel tap. We've now fitted the right fuel tap.
Yeah. But that's how the mop flops.
It is indeed. What else have we done?
Fresh fuel.
Fresh fuel.
Clean the carb.
tank out.
Yeah.
Clean the carb.
Yeah.
There's something else we've done.
Battery.
Battery. Brand new battery on that.
Two-stroke.
Yeah. Full tank of two-stroke oil.
Tested the pump.
We're not selling it.
But
But
just saying what we've
yeah,
done.
yeah. Just filling it.
tyre pressures done.
Yes.
Amazingly,
Tick.
what was it? 2.2 psi in the front and 2.9 in the rear. I think
It's rather low, isn't it?
it is really low.
Yeah.
Really low. Really
Yeah,
low.
because
really
I
low.
thought it was bar, didn't I?
Yeah.
I was like, no, George, you got it wrong, mate. It's
Still, that'd
2.9 bar.
Pot iron bar, though, wouldn't it?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it rides perfectly.
Brakes
Check out our TikTok. We're going to chuck a few videos on there of a few little fun rides we've been doing around the garden. We've been acting like a pair of 12-year-olds.
Brakes work.
Yeah,
Really well. They have to
perfectly.
work well. Otherwise, I would have probably fallen off
Yeah,
a few times.
it's absolutely banging. We're really happy with it.
Yeah.
You know, for what we spent on it, what it owes us, and what we're potentially going to get back out of it. Anyone could do this with a small bit of mechanical knowledge. You know, if we can inspire anyone to get on, buy something that needs a bit of work, do the work to it, get some help from people if you need it. I'm sure you know someone out there. But yeah, it pays to do this sort of thing.
And
know?
it's not like we've had some special tools.
No,
Like we've literally, I mean, yes, we've got a lot of tools combined.
Yeah.
But spark plug socket, you buy a cheap Halfords kit.
Or even Lidl.
Even a little one.
Lidl.
Yeah.
Middle line at Lidl, you know.
Middle line at Lidl, yeah.
Yeah.
But if you went and bought a Halfords professional one, was it like 150 quid?
Yeah.
Like that will come with all the tools that you needed to do a starter motor, take the carb apart.
Yeah.
Your screwdrivers.
Good set of spanners, good set of screwdrivers, some pliers, and a socket set.
Yeah, that's
you could have done exactly what we could have done to this bike.
Yeah.
And you know, in the cost of living crisis that we're in this day and age, if you've got a bit of spare cash, you can plumb it into something cheap, put a bit of money into it, make a bit of money back. Everyone's a winner.
Yeah.
You know. So yeah, that's about it for this series, isn't it?
Yeah.
This bunch of videos.
And it runs.
And it does run.
Yeah. So
oh, here we go.
That's in.
Stick the handbrake on.
That's on. Bit of choke, mate.
Bit of choke.
Bit of choke.
There we go. There we go. She's a beauty.
So we're over the moon with that, really, aren't we?
Yeah, fantastic. I'm happy with that.
Oh, we know we've not revealed the price yet.
Don't forget, keep commenting. I don't think we've had any comments yet, have we?
We haven't released a video yet.
This is also true. Yeah. Yeah, so by the time you see this video,
we'll be on to something else.
Yeah, we'll be on something completely new. Hopefully, you know, keep the likes coming, keep the subscribers coming in, and we can keep providing you some, hopefully, awesome content.
Yeah, I mean, we want to get... We have got ideas.
We've got loads of ideas, yeah. But, we could do versus videos, buy some cheap 50cc mopeds and ride them to Southampton and back, or see who can get the most speed out of theirs, or what, you know, a bit like a Top Gear.
Fuel economy, speed,
yeah,
handling, if you like. It's only going to be cheap stuff because we're literally buying and selling to be able to continue this.
We're just starting out, you know. But if things start to kick off, we'll, God knows, the possibilities are endless. So with your help, big plans. With your guys' help, then hopefully we can make that a reality. But for now, this is George and Lee signing off on all the gear
and some idea.
And on that toadstool,
Tatty Bumbles.
Tatty Bumbles.